Now let us proceed with your work ethics. Kung tawagan ko ang pangalan ko, hanggang yung aming sa favorite ginawa, person half, and third. Favorite person half, isa na parents mo na. Okay, training na. Ayong. Orient Cross, ang point of view. Alipin, it's Lawrence. Iladegan Jasper. Domingo. Si Domingo Francis James. Si Fernandez Earl John. Favorite na sarili niya ba? Namin. Fernandez Earl John, no? Larsenia. Yasos J-Roll. Magpusaw, letter J. Si Marbella. Si Mora. Solar, Larry. Mas not Jarvis. Yakura. Si Bugay, David. Academia, Shadowmay. Axel Luna. Alerta. Bartek. Si Badong Sigla. Wala. Absent. Si Balisenya. Balisenya. Tama din. Piloso. Kamasora. Kapoy.
Oh, my guest again.
Si Dago Chelsea. Eloria. Did I pronounce it? Estrella.
May klase pa po mga
Maya.
photo-photo.
Blake. Si Ganado.
Mga sila na. Ang total po nila.
Si Garcet. Dear Francis.
Garcet.
Favorite person. Liwat. Garcet. Janica. Jenica. Ano pangalan sa mama mo? Isa or
Yung mga report ko, ako pinakalas na yung
Lorca. Yorka. Lumiba pala sa school. Isa ko si Lumiba. Malaga. Moro, Marian, Silve, or Absent? Una, April Lopez. Rigor. Perfect. Thank you. Okay na, settle down everyone. Si Bilio. Sino si Sibilio Santo Domingo? So since wala kita sa assignments, let us proceed with the discussion that I have prepared for you guys. So first things first, meron tayong session rules and I have 3. So first, you have to respect the person who's walking in front. And in this session now, ako ang nasa front, ako ang istorya, then ako lang ang pwede mag-istorya. Is that clear? Yes! Next. Next, keep your phone hidden. No? Kasi I've been observing you for the past few weeks. No? There are some students that are utilizing phones which causes distraction. So kapag nagkaroon siya distraction, wala ka mamati ang student name. No? Na pwede mag-resolve sa inyong negative na pag-acquire sa atong ang gabat na i-acquire for the day. So, next we have raise a hand, state your sure name, and save it. Once na gusto nyo mag-raise ang query, you have to raise your hand, whether right or left. Pwede man-tigil mo ang i-raise nyo. I can, consider that you. So, pag na-request ko ako, state your sure name. I mean, send up, state your sure name, and state your birthday. Are we clear? Yes, sir. So go, may pahanggang ko sa inyo. Yes. Three prize? Yes. Of course, may prize tayo song. Whenever I said stop, ang gagawin si May paghatag sa number. Tapos, paghatag sa number, magbilang, mag-point of in, mag-start na number of counting. And then, ang last na person na mahalin sa number ito, tama mag-answer sa question. Okay. Okay na na, di ba? Close your eyes.
Alam mo, makapilit ka pa.
Close your eyes. Yes. Bakit? Orders. Oh my God. So, nata ba sa mga Oh my God! Ipasa ka. Why na. Sige. I'll start back in 1, 2, 3. Pass the ball. Wala. Those anan. Ako na lang, sir, Ben. Parang mas inspired ako pala. Ipasa mo ano kung hindi ipasa mo. Lagi lang ko lang. Ito yan. Ito yan. Ito lang kay girl. Pasa mo dito. Magbuha na ko. Try ko na lang. Sir, ako na lang kanta. Pati audience eh. Sige. I-roll ang ball starts now. Tama. Iya, tama. Ano yung magagaw? May tama.
Stop na lang.
Ano yung niya number? 4.
Sorry.
Counting ate. 1, 2, 3. Halika, magpipis ang board. Bawal ang pink ha. So, yes. Do you agree that the most women are beautiful and are totally married for fighter? No. Yes, predict. Yes, perfect, no? So, and then may price ka dito. Hindi pa ba? Wala na. Isa lang. Ang price na ay... Start 1. Ikaw dali na dito. Ikaw ang answer sa aking question. Bawal ang pink or hindi ka sa
Bawal yung pink ka.
Bawal ang pink.
Nang blue akin namin.
Tapos na ano?
Wag, akin yung blue.
So, ano ka na lang this one? 2 and 4.
Yay!
No way!
No way!
Very
Why?
good.
Pili ka sa 3. Puno na lang. Press the number natin. 1 to 10.
7.
Start counting, kuya.
Why may pick kayo?
11. Ay, hindi ka na lang siya pag-isali. Percentage siya.
Hala!
Okay. Okay. Ayaw ka nila.
Ay, sige. Sige
lang.
lang.
Sige na, ikaw na lang, kuya.
7 ang kita. Ay, lagi magtanggol. Nakakapal ko makita ka.
Pili ka sa door.
Nandrin.
1 and 4.
4.
What do you think is the most populous religion? Ibig sabihin ng populous, pinakabay na rami na Catholic. Bakit? Yes.
Yes, Edgar.
So, ang natitirang door na lang is?
Red.
Roll the ball. Stop. Bawal ka sa number natin. 6. Start counting natin. Okay. Okay, mag-3. Ako yung si Barista. Halika dito. Huwag tayo lulo. Ay, number 3 lang pala. Number 3 lang pala. Number 3 lang pala. Ako na lang mag-3.
Number 1 lang pala.
Wait lang. Number 4 yata ako wala, di ba? Yes. Okay. Birahi. So let us now proceed with our discussion. So I want you to read the objective first. Wait lang. Binigyan ko ba? We'll proceed with our objectives. What was our discussion last week about? Can anyone recall what was our discussion all about? Last week? Yes. Last week. Yung discuss ni Sir Alice sa inyo. About, yes, kuya? Set up? Set up, kuya. Asa na balik sa ako? Sige, can anyone recall? Yes, ate. Let's wait for Ferdinand. Right, so, yung summarize na ni Ate lahat, wala na akong follow-up question. Answer nila ako next question. So, to wrap it up, ang naging discussion natin last week is all about Christianity and the other religions that is related sa inyo, no? Parang, yung classification na yung religion was reported by you guys, right? So now, I want you to read the objective. First, the students are able to
Identify and explain the key concepts of religion, particularly Islamic beliefs, practices, and teachings.
So, the first objective is identify and explain the key concepts of religion, particularly Islamic, since miracles in the life of Prophet Muhammad are illuminated their impact on Islamic faith. So see, present the summary. Of course, we have to have an activity. So expect something that is going to measure your intellectual capacity. Okay? So, let us proceed with our formal discussion of understanding Islam. So last week, we discussed about Christianity where the genealogy of Abraham or the different religion started from. Particularly, we have Abraham or Abrahamic religion. First, we have Judaism, Christianity, and next is Islam. And then here is the genealogy of Abraham. So from Abraham, nagkaroon siya ng tatlong babae sa buhay niya. Then, ibigay from Hagar, Ishmael, also called Ishmaelites, or kung saan mula ang lahi ng Muhammad. Next, we have Sarah, where he begot with Sarah, Isaac, and Rebecca. And from them is Jacob and Esau. And then Keturah ay babae ng Abraham, where he begot Zipporah, Shad, Debon, Ilan, Eshba, and they are the ancestors of Arabs. Mga lahi na nagulat ng Hagar and Abraham is si Hagar ay nagkaroon ng anak, si Ishmael, as I have said earlier. And then from Ishmael comes from, nagmula ang lahi ng mga Arabo. So, let's not discuss about the na-discuss na ito last week. So, si Muhammad pala is a seal of the prophet or the last. Yes. So, let us now proceed with the context of Islam. Islam is one of the world's most major monotheistic religion. Now, when we say monotheistic, ano nga ibig sabihin? And anyone from the class answer. When we say monotheistic, what does it mean? Yes, Ate. Yes, that was right. Pag sinabi natin monotheistic religion, it means they believe in one and only God. With over 1 million of followers known as Muslims, it emerged in the Arabian Peninsula in the 7th century AD. Now, I want you to be careful with the after name that I have added there, which is especially in the word 7th century AD. AD means Anno Domini, which means the year of the Lord. So later on, we will be conducting some quizzes, so you have to mind all of those. So, and our looking is the 7th century AD, Muhammad is considered the last and final messenger of God in line of the prophet. That includes figures like Abraham, Moses, and Jesus Christ. So parang they were related with mga figures sa ating Bible series. So let us proceed with ito yung map ng Arabian Peninsula where it was surrounded by Jordan, Iraq, Kuwait, Bahrain, Qatar, United Arab Emirates, Oman, and Yemen. Background. Everybody read the back. Arabia.
Before the advent of Islam, the Arabian Peninsula was a city characterized by a diversity of cultures,
they believe that Muhammad is his last and only prophet, and that the Quran was the last book. So yung pagbigay sa kanila ni so-called angel, no? Si Muhammad, ito siya si Muhammad, ay nag-meditate sa isang kuweba somewhere in the place where she was in, or he was in Mecca. So, habang nag-meditate siya, there is an angel na pumunta sa kanya, or nagpakita sa kanya, and then he handed him the book and the word of the Lord. I work under God as Allah. So the Quran. So ito nga pala, short ano lang siya, parang trivia. Pag nag-open sila, tapos nag-open din ang natin ng Quran, lahat ng passage before kayo simula, you have to say, in the name of Allah, most gracious, which is also I'll be talking about later on. So ito na. There are 114 chapters in the Quran, which is written in Old Arabic dialect. All chapters except one begins with paano ba sa ng naka-italize na word? Sige daw. Sorry, everyone. Sige daw, sige daw. Ate, paano ang tama pag-pronounce ng word na yan? Asan pala? Takulan niya. Ayan. Praise my God. Yes, that's right. So, all chapters except one begin with the sentence, Bismillah here, from here, from back. Sorry for my accent. In the name of Allah, sabihin niya. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. I want you to take note about that. Okay? So next, we have the story of Prophet Muhammad. Everybody read.
Prophet Muhammad was born in Mecca, Saudi Arabia, in the year 570 to Abdullah
Ulit, grade 1. Grade 1. Balik. Start with me. Prophet Muhammad was
Prophet Muhammad was born in Mecca, in Saudi Arabia, in the year 578 to Abdullah and Amina. His father died before he was born, and his mother passed on when he was about 6 years old. Hazrat Abdul Muttalib, an eminent chief of the army, after his parents died.
So, bata pa lang si Muhammad, si Prophet Muhammad, orphan na siya. So, ang nag-alaga sa kanya dito, si Abdul, ay si Hazrat Abdul, which is ang kanyang grandfather. So, later on, ang kita pa rin also, the one, kasi pagkatapos ng ano niya, pinalagaan siya ng lolo niya, may nangyari different ganda. So, a few years later, his grandfather passed on. So, lahat ng nag-alaga sa kanya ay nawala. Maliban sa kanya uncle. So, Muhammad's uncle has ranked Abu Talib. Si Abu Talib raised him. Muhammad grew up in a countryside, and he spent his childhood shepherding goats, sheep, and camels. So parang ang story niya, parang connected pa rin siya sa story sa Bible, di ba, sa Christian, where si Jesus Christ ay nag-aalaga ng mga sheep, ng mga donkeys. So, at the age of 25, inasal si Muhammad kay Bibi Khadija. Tama ba ata pag-pronounce ko? Khadija? Yes. Kay Bibi Khadija, who was a widow. So, pag sinabi na ng widow, ano nga ibig sabihin ng widow?
Napatay
Okay, so nagkaroon sila ng mga anak, pero wala naging successful na pagbuhay. Lahat yun, nilagutan ng Panginoon. Or maybe some of them are parang na-push or tawag na nalaglag. So Muhammad departed from this world at the age of 63. His dog is suited and treated and recently on to Medina in Saudi Arabia. And is visited by millions of Muslims every year. Ito niya is parang yung black na yung parang box out there. So yung laging pinupuntahan, iniikot-ikutan ng mga brothers and sisters natin na Muslim every sa Ramadan, Ramadan. Yes. So, let us proceed with the revelation. Itong revelation, ang story nito is about how the Prophet Muhammad have or possess the book or the Quran and the message to him by God that is being owed to him by angel, which I'm going to name later on. So the history of Islamic faith as per religion, social institution begins with the intersection around 610th century or CE. Now, as a Hijran, ibig sabihin ng Hijran is common era. Ang Islamic Prophet Muhammad, the Islamic Prophet Muhammad, an Indian connection is believed by Muslims who have received the first revelation of the Quran and began to preach or preach his message. So, ito na. Present din pala si Saint Gabriel or si Archangel sa kanila religion. So the Archangel appeared and revealed to him the Quran and stated that there was one God. Thus, the kalima or the basic statement of faith in Islam is La ilaha illallah Muhammad Rasulullah. Ano ba ang natin? Which means there is no God but God. And Muhammad is the last prophet of God. Scripture also said Muhammad that Muhammad is the prophet of Allah. So, para yung nag-represent or naging evidence kung sinabi na or yung statement na pinipilay ng ating mga Muslim brothers and sisters that Prophet Muhammad is the last or the seal of the prophet. So, next we have this, no? Our Muslim brothers and sisters this not only have celebrates the most major, no? Ito yung pinaka-malaki pinaka-grand din ng mga celebrations na ginagawa. There are only two. Major lang kahit hindi kasali yung mga minor celebrations nila. The Eid al-Fitr, or the Fitr, at the end of the fasting month of Ramadan, or the Idul Adha, our Muslims we operate a sacrifice to God. Ito yung yung parang fasting nila, which lasts ilang natin? 12. Ilang araw? 1 month. O imagine kung kaya nyo mag-fasting ng 1 month. Hindi, di ba? Pero ang fasting nila is until sundown. Diba? After sundown, pwede na sila kain. So now we have the 5 pillars. Everybody read the 5 pillars. You want everybody read sabay-sabay.
There are five pillars of Islam. Kalima, statement of faith. Namaz,
Again, the history of Islamic faith as a religious and social institution begins with its conception in or around 600s and century CE, Common Era. Again, A. Common Else, B. Christ Era, C. Circle Era, and D. Common Era. Number 2. There are five pillars of Islam. The Kalima, or the statement of faith. The Namaz, 5 daily prayers. The Ruza, the fasting in the Ramadan or Ramadan. Next we have Zakat, the charity or virtue. Now the question is, what is the fifth one? There are five pillars of Islam. First we have the Kalima. Next we have Namaz. Next we have Ruza. And last we have Zakat. The question is, what is the fifth one? A. Hajj. B. Al-Hajji. C. Haji. D. Haji. Again, A. Hajj with H-A-G-G. B. Al-Hajji. C. Haji. D. Haji.
Sir, pag studying nila, sir,
Spelling sa
Kung mga sir, sa
ang A, ang sabi ko is H-A-G-G. Ang B is A-L-H-A-G-I. Ang C is H-A-G-G-I. And D is H-A-I-G-I. Okay, number 3. Prophet Muhammad is was born in Mecca in Saudi Arabia in the year 570 century AD. Who are the parents of Prophet Muhammad? Again, Prophet Muhammad was born in Mecca in Saudi Arabia in the year 500 century or 570 century AD. The question is, who are the parents of Prophet Muhammad? A. Armina and Hazrat Abdul Talib. B. Amira and Abdul Talib. C. Abdullah and Amina. D. Abdullah and Agar. Again. A. Armina and Hazrat Abdul Talib. B. Amira and Abdul Talib. C. Abdullah and Amina. D. Abdullah and Agar. Number 4. All the chapters except one begin with the sentence Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The question is, what is meant by Bismillahirrahmanirrahim? A. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and most kind. B. Our Father in heaven. C. In the name of Muhammad, the most merciful and most kind. D. Our Allah in heaven. Again, all the chapters except one begin with the sentence Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. What is meant by Bismillahirrahmanirrahim? A. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and most kind. B. Our Father in heaven. C. In the name of Muhammad and the most merciful and most kind. D. Our Allah in heaven. Okay na? Number 5. Islam is one of the world's major monotheistic religion, with over 1 billion followers known as Muslim. Now, the question is, what does monotheistic mean? Again, Islam is one of the world's major monotheistic religion, with over 1 billion followers known as Muslim. The question is, what does monotheistic mean? A. A religion that believes in one and only goddesses. goddess, brother. B, a religion that believes in three gods. C, a religion that believes in one and God. D, a religion that believes there is no God. So for number 6 and 7, just enumeration. So enumeration. Provide what is being asked. 1 to 3 is, what are the two important guests that our Muslim brothers and sisters celebrate? Next, we have 4 to 5. Give at least 3 dapat ito. 3. Give at least 3 of the 5 creeds that Islam practices. Yes. I'll give you 5 minutes to answer that. Yes. An example 130, muscle paper apple. Distance. This is a quiz ha. Madakpan ko na paper na karoon ay. Itago ang mga notes. You only got 1 minute. Five seconds, 1:30. May nagasulat pa? Yes. What do you already words? Okay. Sa likod ng holding nyo, saan kayo ilagay ang numbers, pangalan ng numbers.
Hindi ah.
You only got 5 minutes.